Remember back in the late 70s and early 80s when disco was king? Right about then, prices on real estate were very low. Savvy investors were picking up bargains and working on a long-term plan that has made them wealthy today. Do you look back and think that if you'd been paying attention instead of, staying alive, you might be sitting on top of a real estate empire today too? Well, you know how things always cycle back like those awful peasant dresses and flowered shirts? Real estate is cyclical too. And luck is with you this time because you get to do a do-over. Right now, dozens of things are happening that makes investing in real estate the best move you can make. Mortgage rates are at an all-time historic low. There's money to be borrowed, and with rates this low, the market has bottomed out, so there are huge bargains just waiting for you. Individuals who lost their home to foreclosures need rentals. So why aren't you moving money into real estate? Too busy, no time? Don't understand short sales, pre-foreclosures, REOs, tax sales, etc.? Don't know how to buy investment real estate with no money down? Can't properly evaluate an investment property. If you're thinking of purchasing investment property, this is the perfect storm, and no excuse is worth missing out on this historic opportunity. Although there is a lot of opportunity in the market, it takes a skilled investor dozens of hours a week sifting and sorting through the pile of dead deals to find the best deals, the deals that will generate cash and help build a safe financial future for your family. That's what we do. That's all we do, and we can do it for you. Feel free to pick our brain. If you want to move capital into real estate during the opportunity of a lifetime, let's make sure to stay in touch. We will send you information on the best underground investment properties in the area of your choice, saving you time. We can even explain the process, show you how to get financing, and help educate you on the ups and downs of each deal. We don't want to do one deal with you. We want to help you build your real estate empire.